back to my channel. Today I will show you how I make striploin steak. We will be needing striploin cut of beef, sea salt, pepper, garlic butter or just plain butter, fresh rosemary and fresh thyme, and 4 cloves of garlic. Please watch until the end of this video as I will share with you some tips on how to make a perfect steak. Perfect talaga! Charot! First, season your meat with just salt and pepper, and then dab it para ma-absorb ng mo, including the fats part. Do this on both sides. Rub, rub, rub! Season, season, season! By this time, you should start heating your pan. In a very hot pan, put on your extra virgin olive oil. Then lay your steak away. That is the kind of sound we want, that crispy sound. Don't move your meat and let it cook for 3 minutes. I am going for rare to medium rare. That's how I like my steak done. Now time to turn my steak. This process is called searing. This is the process where we put color on the meat and sealing the flavor. Now is the perfect time to put your garlic, thyme, rosemary, and butter. What about you guys? How do you like your steak done? Please comment down below and tell me what is your favorite side dish when eating steak. Continue basting so the flavor of the garlic, the butter, the thyme, the rosemary will be sealed. Continue turning your steak every 1 minute for the next 3 minutes if you are going for rare to medium rare. If you want your steak medium well to well done, then you have to do this process for the next 6 to 8 minutes, depending on the thickness of your meat. While basting, you also have to rub the garlic to your meat. Don't forget the fat side of the meat, okay? Now here's the tip. As per Chef Gordon Ramsay, your meat must be out of the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes before cooking it to avoid overcooking from up and undercooking it inside. Take your steak out of the pan and let it rest for a few minutes. Now it's time to cut my steak. I hope I got it right. There you go. My medium rare to rare striploin steak. Tada! Here's the finished product. I will show you on the next video how I made this side dish. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in cooking, and click on the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload a new recipes. Always remember, just cook it. Until my next video, Tata!